Hey guys, it's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and welcome to my channel. I'm here at Amaresa, Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan, and this is what we call rainy season update. Yes, di ba no? Tag-ulan na po. At kaya Amara Expanded ang i-feature ko today kasi kung ikaw yung tipo ng buyer na naghahanap ng ready for occupancy or pre-selling, Amara Expanded has something for you. So right now, we have 2 to 3 slots left na ready for occupancy sa phase 1. So, ito po yung pwede kayong makalipat within 3 to 6 months. Kung halimbawa hindi ka nagmamadali, doon tayo sa pre-selling nila bagong phase at nabubuksan namin. Amara Expanded there is pre-selling. Pwede after 2 years yung kanyang turnover. So, meron kang option. Kaya si Amara Expanded, depende yan sa'yo, di ba? Kung ano ba yung target moving mo. At the end of this video, I will show you our updated sample computation. Papakita ko rin muna from the outside yung itsura ni Amara Expanded. Pero before that, ito yung kanyang floor and lot area sa screen na nakikita nyo right now. Let's go! Amara Expanded, the stunning and the beautiful. Guys, ang una nyo mapapansin pagpasok nyo kay Amara Expanded, yung kanyang spacious living area. Nakita nyo naman, di ba? Napakalaki kasi ng floor area natin dito, guys. So, kahit kung ikaw yung buyer na mahilig sa mga chunky furniture sa sofa, sa sala, perfect sa'yo ang Amara Expanded kasi may enough space for that. And here, guys, we have a 6-seater dining table, Amara Expanded, and your access to your lanai, service area door, and your long expanded kitchen. Diba, guys? Ano ba, guys? It's full of natural light. If I can count it for you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 windows lang naman sa first floor pa lang, di ba? Tapos dito, guys, so meron tayo dito space for study area, home office, o kaya kung gusto mo siyang gawing storage, depende sa iyo. At ang ating first toilet and shower, ayan po siya, Amara Expanded. Dahil may space ka pa dito, pwede mo siya lagyan ng accent table like this one side table. And let's go to the second floor of Amara Expanded. Ayan. So, perfect for a big family. Oh, tignan niya, guys. Pagdating sa second floor, I'll show you bedroom 1. This is your bedroom number 1 sa second floor. At ang bedroom number 2 natin ay ito naman po. Yan. Malaki rin siya, ha? Itong bedroom number 2 natin. Kasi dito, tinan mo, may pwesto pa dito, pwede ka maglagay ng closet. O, diba? Malaki po siya. And your master's bedroom. But before that, mayroon kang another toilet and shower. So, toilet and shower number 2. And your spacious hallway. Kaya Amara Expanded, pwede ka pa maglagay nito. Alam niyo guys, dahil napakalaki na Amara Expanded, in total, we have 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and shower. Your master's bedroom, may sarili siyang toilet and shower sa loob. Let's go. Ito siya guys, so, Amara Expanded master's bedroom, bali pa ito ang double bed, bali ang queen size. You can put television over here, so para ka naman sa hotel living. And here guys, ayan o, meron ka pa ditong walk-in closet and your master's bedroom, own toilet and shower na sobrang spacious. Ang laki niya talaga. May enjoy mo talaga dito, baka kahit isang oras kang maligo. Guys. And wait, there's more. Amara Expanded ay meron tinatawag nating attic. Hindi siya third floor, attic po siya. Samahan niyo ako sa attic niya, guys. Diba? Ikaw ang bahala kung ano gusto mong gawin sa attic mo. Pero, pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ikot lang natin yung camera. Yung attic mo, ganito siya kalaki. From this side to that side to that other side. Tignan niyo naman, guys. Napakalaki. Napakaluwag ng attic mo. At kahit matangkad ka dito, baka akala nyo low ceiling siya. Tingnan nyo yung kamay ko. So, 5'4" in height. Tapos nakataas pa yung kamay, pero hindi ko pa rin abot. So, kahit, lalo na sa side na to, mas mataas yung ceiling. So, di ba guys, ang ating pong attic guys, sa ating Amara Expanded, talaga namang sobrang ganda. Ginawa siyang play area for kids. O kaya pwede mo rin gawing entertainment area or another room. So, kung kahit up to 10 family members, kaya mong pagkasyahin sa Amara Expanded. But wait, there's more and more and more. Meron tayong napakaluwag na balcony. Signature style ni Amaresa. Wow! Ito na siya guys! Ang maluwag! Pwede kang mag-pool party here. Kung ano man ang gusto mong gawin, ito na ang Amara Expanded. Diba guys? We're gonna talk about sample competition, both ready for occupancy and pre-selling. So stay tuned! So there you have it. All you need to do guys to contact me directly. But before anything else, kailangan alam niyo muna yung sample competition, di ba? Yun ang pinakamahalaga doon. Unahin ko, okay, sa screen pinapakita ko sample competition ng ready for occupancy, nakalagay naman dyan, at saka ng pre-selling. So at least alam mo, di ba, kung magkano yung cash out na kailangan mong ibigay. Pag ready for occupancy, yun lang naman ang difference niya, yung cash out na yun. And then pag pre-selling, installment 0% interest at yun nga, 2 years po yan. So yun po yung ating Amara Expanded, okay? So nakita niyo naman guys, very affordable pa rin siya. Parang ano lang siya, na yung nasa 8 million na yan, presyo siya ng 2 bedrooms condominium sa prime location sa Manila na mga nasa 50 square meter. Pero pag Amara Expanded, tingnan mo naman guys, ang ganda ng location natin kasi we are very accessible. Malapit po tayo sa Marilao Exit, about 20 minutes drive. Marilao Exit, meaning to say, ang lapit mo na lang sa Balintawak, Quezon City, Manila. Papuntang airport, less than 1 hour na lang yan. Makati, ang lapit mo sa lahat. Diba guys? BGC. At yung future BGC of the North. Ang tawag doon, NGC, North Twin by Megaworld. Dito lang po yan sa Marilao Exit. So, few minutes drive lang from here, Amaresa. So, just imagine guys ha, napakaganda ng location niya. 35 minutes drive to SM Fairview, to Fairview Ayala Terraces, to Robinson's Novaliches, to Landers. May shortcut po kasi yan dito, going to Bagong Silang, Caloocan. Tapos, ang lusot mo, yun nga, SM Fairview na, Ayala Terraces na. Tayo dito kasi ako guys sa area. So, when I drive to those places, hindi ko naman kailangan mag-Quirino Highway, doon sa ginagawang MRT-7. Hindi mo yung kailangan baybayin, may mga shortcut. So, maganda po ang location natin. And thank God naman, this is a non-platted subdivision. We have complete, amazing amenities. Napakaganda po ng mga design ng bahay ni Amaresa. Elegant. Kaya naman guys, kung naghahanap ka ng retirement home, vacation home, or just you want to grow, your family is growing, this is a perfect community for all of you. Again, strictly no walk-ins sa area na to. So, yun yung aking Viber WhatsApp number. You just have to contact me directly. Mention Amara Expanded. Mention mo na rin kung RFO or pre-selling ba yung gusto mong makuha dito. Pag RFO, 2 to 3 slots, pabilis lang po yan, okay? Pag pre-selling, very few na lang din yung natitira. And also, kung gusto mo naman akong contact sa social media like Messenger, ayan po yung aking Facebook account. Message nyo lang ako. Yan ang Messenger ko, guys. Pwede nyo akong i-follow. May blue check yan, legit yan. That's me. Okay? Again, my name is Nicole. And don't forget, diba? Talagang ini-etchos ko talaga yung aking, hair extension. Hindi naman halata, diba guys? Pero, ayun nga, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi po kayong updated sa mga beautiful and stunning projects here in the area of Bulacan, diba? Umulan, umaraw, guys. I'm at your service. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Hello.